Before you start watching this video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Then tapping the bell icon button so you will be first to know when we post new videos. This persistent subcutaneous fat usually appears on thighs, hips, and breasts of women. A skin with cellulite resembles an orange peel or a cottage cheese. Not so attractive, right? Usually, cellulite appears as a result of genetics or unhealthy lifestyle. Here we present you a simple way to eliminate your cellulite once and for all. The natural home remedy for cellulite we present requires only one simple ingredient that most of you probably have it in the kitchen right now. We are talking about apple cider vinegar. This common ingredient is a powerful remedy against cellulite. The abundance of minerals it contains, like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, stimulate the blood circulation and support the elimination of excess body fluids. This vinegar prevents fluid and water retention around thighs and stomach. ACV for cellulite. To prepare this home remedy for cellulite, you need to mix apple cider vinegar and water in 1:2 ratio. If you like, you can add some honey. Rub the prepared solution on the skin areas with cellulite, and let it stay for half an hour before washing it with warm water. Do this 2 times a day, until you notice positive results. Here's one more effective treatment for cellulite. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water. Rub the prepared solution on the areas with cellulite, and then use a plastic wrap to cover the skin area. Cover the skin with a warm towel. Allow it to stay for 1 hour before removing the wrap and washing the skin with lukewarm water. Do this treatment regularly, until you get the desired results. For those who want to lose some weight, you can also use apple cider vinegar to lose weight. Add 2 tablespoons of the vinegar in a teaspoon of honey, and mix well. Consume the prepared mixture 2 times a day, until you get positive results. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.